Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2014 Triumph Bonneville T100 Black. Beautiful condition, satin black finish, blacked out engine. It's got the parallel twin 865cc fuel injected retro standard. Wait till you hear this British custom megaphone exhaust system. Only 10,000 miles on this awesome Triumph Bonneville. Make your retro dreams come true for just $59.99. It's got the bar end mirrors, shorty turn signals. Come on by. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Oh yeah. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.